I'm here with a BoxyCharm. It is a PR box from BoxyCharm. It is the base box for the month. And I'm just going to open it and review some of the products with you. I'm going to do a little bit of things a little bit different today. I'm going to constantly be trying to mix it up a little bit for you so it's not so repetitive each month. So I want to just shout out and thank BoxyCharm for gifting me the base box. I also have the premium box to open with you. So stay around for part 2. I'm just going to jump right in. Okay, so the base box comes with 5 full-size products, and it is a monthly subscription from BoxyCharm. This month, it is invite only is the name of the box, and it is previewing the Boxy Beauty Bash. So it says shop our annual holiday blowout sale now and score up to 80% off of retail prices. And there's a chance for free gifts. So go shop Boxy right now. Okay, so I look a little strange. I just have my foundation on and eyebrows. So bear with me. I am going to be trying on a few products from both boxes. So I wanted to come at you with a face ready to put on the new products that Boxy is showing us. So the first thing we have is a Boxy exclusive from Violet Voss. This is a Pro Series Violet Voss, and these shades are to represent a violet sunrise. And it comes with a mirror, of course, and these are the shades. You know, I wouldn't call this fall, but I can definitely see a sunrise in there. Let's just try it out. I have my brushes right here. So I'm going to go in with the shade Vanilla to go over my whole eye area. I do not have any primer on. I'm putting this on just my bare eye. Just giving it a foundation to build upon. Okay, so that's with the Vanilla. So I'm going to go in with this Violet Sunset. I'm just doing the inner corner, pulling it over. Looks very pinky to me. And then I'm going to do this blush shade. And I'm just doing it from the halfway over. Oh, that's just not the... Okay, so I'm going to go in with this. So I'm going to go in with this Amber Sky color for the outside corner. None of these colors are coming out the way I envisioned. Now I'm going to mix the champagne and the peach and see what it does. Okay, we're just going to leave it with that. I'm going to do the other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so that is the look I have. My opinion. I'm not a big fan of Violet Voss, actually. I do think their palettes are very pretty. Just for me personally, the colors never seem to look like the colors in the palette. Now, I do love the vanilla and the peach and even the champagne. And this color, if you don't think of it as a purple, this is a really nice shade too. I didn't love the amber sky or the dusk. It basically made me look like I had a black eye, so I had to really readjust it. But now it's okay. I would wear this look. It's just a little bit of a almost neutral shade at this moment for me. Yeah. So that's the look. I'll probably pass this Violet Voss palette off to one of my friends that will enjoy it and love it as much as it deserves. This Violet Voss palette retails for $37, but remember, it's Boxy Charm exclusive. So if you want this palette, you have to be a part of Boxy Charm. We're seeing a lot of Kate Somerville lately. This is another product from Kate Somerville. It is Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser. This is the Kate Somerville packaging. I think this packaging is so pretty. I love all this brand's packaging. It's just very streamlined and beautiful. So this is Kate Somerville's Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser, a gentle daily face wash that's formulated to cleanse and soothe without tightness or irritation. Its enhanced non-foaming creamy formula, it removes makeup, dirt, oil, and impurities while maintaining skin's radiant and essential moisture. This retails for $40. I can't wait to try this. I love Kate Somerville. I love the products. The next thing we have is a duo. This is 2-in-1. It is by Glowoasis Milkdew Ph Balancing Moisture Milk Toner. And this smells so good on the cotton pad going onto your face. It is light smell of sweet flowers, I think. I'm really bad at telling you what things smell like, but in my opinion, this is just lovely. I love the glass packaging. It's just very sleek. Sleek and makes you feel fancy. So this is Glowoasis Milkdew Ph Balancing Moisture Milk Toner. Gives thirsty skin a drink of milkdew. The toner meets moisturizer feature a blend of apricot kernel oil, soybean extract, and cedar extract to deeply hydrate, condition, and soothe the skin. It's the perfect revitalizing boost you need. So I love that it's a 2-in-1. That's one less step we need to use. So that is Glowoasis. And this retails for $34. So the next thing we have is Lashes by Lilly Lashes. These are so cute. This is a limited edition Falling For You lash. It's a delicate length and volume. Create a undeniable natural glam finish. These are really pretty and they are a very nice length. I can't wait to try these. These retail for $28. The last out of our box is face mask. I have not done a face mask in a hot minute, and these were a very welcome addition to the box. These are Vitamasques Nourish Flower Nectar Biodegradable Mask and Glow Juicy Berry Biodegradable Mask. So that's two different ones, Flower Nectar and Glow Juicy Berry. And these are both the kind that you can put on, leave on for like 20 minutes, and then remove and just pat it into your skin. I love these because that means I can go to bed with one on at night without having to get up to wash my face. I can just pull the mask off and rub it in. So I love these. Those retail for $18. That is the base box this month from BoxyCharm. Love the PR, Boxy. Thank you so much for including me. And if you want to check out the premium box, go to the next video because you will be able to check it out there.